Alright guys, we're here for break number 67. This is 2016-2017 Panini Gold Standard Basketball. It's going to be a couple minutes while everybody finds us. So bear with me for a couple minutes and then we'll get going. Sorry, my phone rang. Alright, there are your teams. URL is here. And we're all set. Jamie Garza in here. I don't see Jamie. Jamie, are you in here? I need to confirm that trade before we move on. Gotta have both parties confirm it. Bueller. Let's see if I can PM Jamie. Alright, it's confirmed. Just posted. Trades, guys, they gotta be PM'd and they gotta be by both parties. I don't want any questions raised. And if it's just in the comments, sometimes I can miss those. A lot of comments happen. I saw this one, but I just want both parties to confirm it, just so there's no questions raised. That 2016-17 Panini Gold Standard Basketball Hobby Box. I have no idea what this is going to be like. It looked pretty cool, so we will see together. It's like a gold bar, the shape of it. One little pack of 7 cards. Good luck, guys. Hope we pull something pretty great for somebody. Oh, there's a hit on that side, so we'll turn it over. We'll get to the back. First card out. Those are cool looking. Miles Plumlee for the Milwaukee Bucks. This one is numbered to 269. It's a good looking card. Miles Plumlee for the Bucks. Next one out. Wilson Chandler for the Nuggets, number to 269. Alright, third card. Marcin Gortat with the Wizards. also numbered to 269. These are nice cards. I like them. Looks like we'll get all 3 hits at the bottom here. Yep, last non-hit is Cody Zeller for the Charlotte Hornets. This one is numbered to 79. Number 74 out of 79. Alright, on to the meat. First hit is going to be going to the Clippers. It is a rookie patch auto of Diamond Stone. One of the coolest names you can have. Diamond Stone rookie patch auto. This is numbered to 199. Man, this sleeps terrible. Good looking card there for the Clippers. Once a 130. I don't have any 130s. Right over here, they're on the desk over there. I'll top load that when I'm done. Next hit, Kelly Olynyk for the Boston Celtics. It's a patch auto card. And this one is numbered 148 out of 149. A good looking card. Last one out is going to be a random. This is Giorgio Papagiannis, Juan Hernan Gomez, and Timothy Luwawu Cabarro. Kings, Nuggets, 76ers. I don't think you could get any more crazy names than that. This one is numbered 17 out of 25. Very pretty card. It's got some nice looking patches on it. Bottom left is 2 colored, purple and white. Middle one is maroon and gold, and then the white patch on the right. Let's get the computer up and we'll random that thing off. Alright, so I get a list up. We're going to have left to right, Kings, Nuggets, and 76ers. Okay guys, we're going to roll for 4 more. Why is that X on there? Get off my screen. Sorry about that. Gonna roll for 4 or more on the dice. We've got an 8. And we're going to randomize these 3 teams 8 times. Whoever's in the 1 position wins the card. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last time coming up. Good luck. 8 is the 76ers. 76ers have won. This card right here, numbered out of 25. Pretty card. I'm not very familiar with the players. It's a really pretty card. So that one is a 76ers card. Kelly Olynyk for the Celtics also came out numbered to 149. Patch autograph. And we also had Diamond Stone rookie patch autograph numbered to 199. Really cool cards. Didn't get the biggest names, but I don't know, Diamond Stone might be. Alright guys, Topps Triple Threads is going to be posted soon. So we'll see you in a bit.